Hey guys, so very frustrating. So this is my kids. That's Ollie. That's Silas going. This is the only place I can afford to take them. So again, very hard. Can't get work. I don't even know how to do this. It's if I can get any help from anyone, angels. I don't even know what to say. I'm 57 years old and very hard to go back on my feet. Anyways, if I can just get somebody to help me even I don't even know what to say. It's hard. Hard when you have children, when you lose everything. Hard to get back on your feet. Just so hard. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for helping. I appreciate it so much.